This is Storm Track 12.
With comfortable temperatures and some sunshine, we really couldn't have asked for a better start to fall today. And it's a very nice evening out there right now as well. Taking a look outside, we're currently at 63 degrees here in Binghamton with winds from the north-northwest at 13 miles an hour. And here's a wider view of satellite and radar. You can see right off the east coast, this area right here is actually Hurricane Teddy, which isn't going to have an impact on our area. We have that area of high pressure sitting over us right now, giving us this really nice and quiet stretch of weather. You can see only a few high clouds passing overhead throughout the day today, and we are going to stay dry for tonight. Current temperatures are in the 50s and 60s. Oneonta down to 59 degrees. Norwich is at 65. Sydney is at 64 degrees. Lisle and Greene are both at 66. Windsor is at 61 degrees, and Spencer and Appalachian are both at 65 degrees. For tonight, we're going to see a clear and cool night, but not as cold as we saw the past few nights. And then more sunshine is in the forecast for Wednesday, and even a little bit of a warm up by midweek and even into the early weekend. Temperatures jump back up into the low to mid 70s, but we've been very dry lately. It doesn't look like our next chance for rain is going to come until the end of the weekend and into early next week. So here's a look at the drought monitor for our area. To the west of Interstate 81, we have those areas in the abnormally dry and moderate categories. And even though we're not all in those categories, we've all still been very dry over the past month. Throughout the month of September, here in Binghamton, we've only seen just over ½ an inch of rain, so we have been well below normal in terms of rainfall for this month. And once again, our next chance for rain isn't going to come until the end of this weekend and into early next week. So here's a look at future track for tonight. Things are staying very quiet and clear skies stick with us throughout the night and throughout the day tomorrow too. A little bit more cloud cover builds in for tomorrow morning, but by the afternoon, looks like that clears out and we'll see a few clouds and some sunshine for your afternoon tomorrow. Pretty similar to today, but just a little bit warmer than what we saw. Temperatures by 9 o'clock will be right around 50 degrees. Lows tonight going to stay warmer than we've seen the past few nights, staying in the 40s for most of us. A few isolated spots could drop down into the upper 30s. And then by tomorrow morning around 9 o'clock, we'll be in the mid to upper 50s. By lunchtime, we'll be in the mid to upper 60s, and high temperatures tomorrow top out in the upper 60s and low 70s. And lows tomorrow night will be back down into the 40s. But for tonight, we're looking at a low temperature of 44 degrees, clear and cool and a quiet night. Range temperatures 39 to 47 degrees. And here's a look at the rest of your 7-day forecast. For tomorrow, plenty of sunshine once again with a high of 71 degrees. For Thursday, we start that warm up with a high of 74 degrees. Then 75 degrees sticks with us for Friday and Saturday. And then by the end of next weekend, that's when we get a little bit unsettled. We bring in a 40% chance for some showers on both Sunday and Monday. And then by Tuesday, we keep that rain chance with us, but we do cool back down into the 60s.